Hello coder, welcome back to our HTML tutorial series. I am from Programming with Rocky. Last video we ran the first code and described how the HTML works. Today we'll learn HTML5 basic. Today we'll see HTML structure and some shortcut typing tricks. So this is the second video, that's why I name it the previous part 1. But today we name it part 2. So for this, uh, make a folder. It's make a folder, then put 2 inside this. It's not part 2, it's part 1 because I name it previous is 0. So inside this we create index.html. So we need to type HTML, then you will see some suggestion. The first one is HTML and the second one is HTML5. So we will use HTML5. That's why I click on that. Boom. Then we get a structure. This is the full HTML structure. So last time I was tell how it works, but today I will describe in details. So the first line is Doctype HTML. This is the document type declaration and informs the browser that the document is an HTML5 document. This is not mandatory, but good practice is add this at the beginning of an HTML document. Last time we see the HTML opening and closing tag. This one, the lang attribute specifies the language of the document. In this case, it's English. We will learn about attribute in later videos, so don't worry. Inside the head section, this two is metadata, one for character set and one for viewport. And title sets the title of the HTML document. It appears in the browser title bar. It also very important for search engine. Let me try this where we will see the document, title. So let's run this. Okay. Yeah, here in the title bar it's document. Let me change this. This is part 1. So Control S for save and then go to browser. Yeah, this is part 1. Body tag represent the content of the HTML document. It will displayed on the web pages. Last time we saw this is H1. Inside the body section, we write H1 tag. And which contain HTML part 2. So we see in the browser, this is part 2. So I know this video is theory based, sorry for that, but this was important because you have to understand the HTML structure and this is the full structure. In the next video, we will cover HTML attribute and HTML elements. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like and share. Happy coding!